In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tabs and rulers in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll know how to turn on rulers and guides, align your content precisely, and use tab stops inside text boxes for clean, consistent layouts. First, let's enable the tools that make precise placement possible. Go to the View tab and turn on Ruler. You'll see rulers appear along the top and the left side of your slide, giving you clear measurements as you work. While you're there, switch on Guides as well. Guides are the faint alignment lines that help objects snap into place, so everything lines up neatly without guesswork. Now, use the ruler to align text and objects. Click an object and drag it slowly. Keep an eye on the ruler markings at the top and left. As you move, match the edges of the object with specific ruler measurements so multiple items share the same position. This is great for creating consistent margins. You can also use those markings to measure exact distances between elements. Adjust your placement until the numbers match across your layout. If you need more control, zoom in a bit so small adjustments are easier to see. Let's set up tabs inside a text box so your text aligns perfectly in columns. Select a text box, go to the Home tab, find the paragraph group, and click the small dialog box launcher in the corner. In the dialog, choose Tabs. Here you can add left, center, right, or decimal tabs at precise positions. Left tabs align text starting at that point. Center tabs balance the text around the tab. Right tabs align text to the right edge. And decimal tabs line up numbers by the decimal point. Enter the exact measurement you want. Pick the tab type and click Set, then OK. Once your tabs are created, you can adjust them directly. Click inside the text box so its ruler appears. Drag any existing tab marker along the ruler to fine-tune its position. If you need to remove one, open the Tabs dialog again and click Clear to remove the selected tab, or Clear All to wipe them all and start fresh. Finally, take advantage of guides for quick snapping. Drag objects near a guide or ruler mark and they'll snap into position, helping you maintain perfect alignment. To add more reference lines, right-click an existing guide and choose Add Vertical Guide or Add Horizontal Guide. Use these to create consistent columns, margins, or baselines across your slides. That's it. With rulers, guides, and tabs working together, your slides will look cleaner, more professional, and easier to update.